German Bell Tower. Brent is wickedly witty, incredibly intelligent, and most of you guys know him, so you know that. And it's actually a huge pleasure for me to present someone who sounds amazing and has all this stuff going on with his music that's absolutely wonderful, but also has a huge amount of depth.
This one's called Ghost in the Machine. The number of the beast is well known, ain't written in a cryptic code. The number of the beast is well known, well known. You read it in our flesh and bones. Fanatics full of hate and fear, they whisper in the leader's ear. Fanatics full of hate and blame and fear, they know they got the leader's ear. The fighters of the beast, they're so. You're hoping for a holocaust. The fighters of the beast, they're so. Yeah, you are working for the holocaust. It's a world of make-believe, she's trying to make it real, oh yeah. The world of make-believe, she's trying to make it real, oh yeah. Yankee Doodle dreams so low, it's tearing at the seams all alone. American dream so low, so low. You wore out the seams and it's gone. The shadowy police looms low, directed by the suits in charge. De facto world police looms large, so large, 'cause you've been fucking with the man in charge.